This is Elizabeth Fasania, and I'm going to share my executive interview with Miss Diane Mahoney, who is the owner and CEO of Purely Essential. Purely Essential produces an all-natural fruit and vegetable wash. The company was started by a scientist, Dr. Donald C. Atkins. Miss Mahoney had been working with him, and in 1996 she decided to purchase the company and, as she states, start a David versus Goliath fight to alleviate pesticides and toxins on the produce we eat. In 2014, the company rebranded itself as Purely Essential to more clearly communicate the important benefits it offers, it being the fruit and vegetable wash. What are your international human resource management or diversity practices? Being sensitive to her international clients, never assuming anything, developing a better understanding of cultural business practices, and educating her staff were just a few of what she named off. Having no prior knowledge of doing business internationally, Miss Mahoney knew that her New Jersey upbringing and to the point management style would most likely not fly when conducting business with her first client, who was based in China. She never assumes anything because when she did, the first time she did the order with her Chinese client, many things happened, not all of them good. So she has learned from her mistakes over the years. She's also educated herself about the cultural and the business nuances that happen when doing business outside the United States, more specifically with China. Everything that she has learned, she shares with her staff to make sure they are well informed and able to conduct business when she is not in the office or cannot be reached. What are the benefits and opportunities offered by being an international or diverse organization? One of the points Ms. Mahoney brought up was, first and foremost, a higher profit margin. Selling in bulk cuts costs, leaving a slightly higher profit margin while still keeping the product at a good fair price for her international customers. Because she is a small business and doesn't have an international marketing budget, international growth has been quite small. However, her customers overseas in China that she does have order on a regular basis. How do you balance encouraging a strong organizational culture with supporting individual differences? One of the first things Ms. Mahoney mentioned was integrity. Having integrity on all levels with everyone that she deals with, from her clients here in the U.S. to her staff to her clients internationally. The other is making sure that strong product knowledge is known to all. She first started this with each of her employees and makes sure that they understand all about the product, how to speak about it, how to use it, and the importance of it. She also stays open to new and creative ideas and uses a SWOT analysis with her team in-house of 3 people, as well as for herself when new ideas come up. They strategically plan and work through any customer or internal issues, even when they're difficult. And to teach her employees to build a good business case regarding new and innovative ideas has been part of her plan from the beginning. What are the significant international management or diversity challenges facing your organization in the future? Ms. Mahoney stated that unless something dramatically changes for business as a whole, she did not see any big changes or management or diversity. Her international business has not changed much over the years, and as mentioned earlier, she has 2 primary clients in China who she works with regularly and they order on a consistent basis. One of the biggest challenges she faces overall is educating people about the fact that water alone does not remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. This has always been an uphill battle and continues to be, although more and more people are becoming aware of the need to use a natural fruit and vegetable wash. Some of the insights I gained from interviewing Miss Mahoney was that international business is really not for the faint of heart. You have to be willing to work hard and to educate yourself. The training and insights are not always easy to find regarding the country you're conducting business with, and that the importance of global HR practices and more, addressing and the implementation of good diversity policies in the United States and globally. Thank you for your time.